Avoid quick release of sperm. Low male stamina. Duration of male in bed is critical for satisfaction level of lovemaking. More prolonged and highly intense male performance makes a woman ecstatic in bed and provides her maximum satisfaction and pleasure. A woman's satisfaction and pleasure in bed have a profound psychological impression over a male too. Higher pleasure woman gains in bed, more confident male becomes and performs even better next time. But in the case of PE, this cycle reverses, and the man goes down low on confidence. More he tries to improve, deeper he gets in trouble and finally starts avoiding romance altogether. So treatment for PE is a solution to physical disorders and weakness, and treats mental debilities and anxiety to resolve the problem for the long term and completely. In this video, you will know: diet to last longer, natural solution.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any men's health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Healthy diet. All-round natural treatment to improve male health is best for getting rid of PE, which we will describe. A healthy diet and lifestyle are the essential parts of natural treatment to improve male health. Eat foods high in minerals like whole grain, veggies and raw fruits, and low-fat dairy products. Eat seeds like pumpkin, sunflower, etc., and nuts like almonds, walnuts, raisins for mineral and other nutrient supplementation. Veggies, whole grain, and some fruits are high in fiber, which helps in faster metabolism. Use spices like garlic, ginger, onion liberally, and cook food in healthy cooking oils like mustard, coconut oil. Forming a diet plan for complete nutrition and smooth digestion is the first step to control premature ejaculation. Without a healthy lifestyle, diet is useless. Cut out unnatural sexual practices strictly like hand practice. Avoid unnecessary stimulations via porn, erotic conversations, movies, etc. Stay physically active, eat and sleep at proper timings, stay hydrated and avoid excessive use of OTC medicines. Drink herbal teas, green tea, buttermilk, etc., in place of regular tea, coffee, beverages, canned drinks, etc. These steps with a healthy diet are natural ways to control premature ejaculation. If you want to know how to get Lawax capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Natural solution. Lawax capsules are natural and provide long-lasting results. Lawax capsules allow a male to last longer in bed and provide numerous other benefits and cure disorders that stop a male from enjoying gratifying sex. Using these herbal premature ejaculation remedies, males experience considerable improvement in their energy, potency, and lovemaking drive and abilities. These premature ejaculation capsules supplement nutrients in bioavailable form to reverse weaknesses and infirmities and remove deficiencies. These increase the rate of energy production and provide more support to bodily systems. These enhance the testosterone hormone and guide the regular energy flow towards the male reproductive system to eliminate nerve weaknesses and keep them strong and active. Healthy and energized nerves heighten a male's sensation, promote intense arousals, and provide perfect control over ejaculation. These are easy-to-use supplements that do not require any complicated regimen to show their effects. In all, you lead a quality life by taking this natural treatment and stay active in bed till a later age. If you continue with a healthy diet and lifestyle regimen, the positive changes of Lawax capsules stay with you forever. World's finest premature ejaculation cure.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Lawax capsules from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.